I got my moped running. Had to take off the gas line and just tipped it over and let all the gas run out of it. I've riding the heck out of it today. Can't really see in here, but right down there's the gas line there. I had to take off, bring it out here, get a little bit more sunlight. That little gas line down there, all the problem. Had to get rid of. Actually, gonna try to crank it. So let's see if it'll work. I gotta get out here on the road to crank it because the driveway's too rough. It causes too much friction on the tires to get going. Hey, look, there's a puppy. Pupple, come here, Pupple. Dumb dog. My neighbors over there are back from their trip from West Virginia. It's beautiful up there. Well, where I went up there, it was beautiful. It ain't got a kill switch on it. Come on, crank. There we go. Move, Bubble. See? I'm fine. Let's see if we can get up to speed. Still idles a little bit high, but oh well. I'll fix it later. Hardly got any brakes. I gotta hold the brake all the way down for it just to slow down. Now I can get rid of my crappy